Okay, so with me and Jackson, we're back again. We're gonna be riding dirt bikes. I mean, not dirt bikes. We're gonna be riding four-wheelers today. And last week I told y'all we was gonna be riding dirt bikes, but we decided to ride four-wheelers today. So here's the four-wheelers gonna be riding. I got a Honda Foreman ES, and he's got a Honda Recon. So we're gonna
be doing some bumping today. That's what we're gonna be doing.
Yeah, me and my friend Jackson here, we're gonna be doing some bumping on our bumpers. I might tap them a little bit, get some action in there, and I'll see y'all later. Okay, we're back here at the racetrack. Okay. We're gonna be doing, next time by we're gonna go green, and then we're gonna have 2 laps of qualifying. We practiced earlier, so. We're sliding in the corner a little bit, that's fine. That's some good laps right there. Okay, we're gonna pull in the pits and we're gonna get an interview.
How did those laps feel?
Yeah, pretty good. I'm still loose over there in the turn. Last week it rained. Well, Thursday it rained. I shoveled it up. I got my tractor out here. I scraped it, make it flat. So, we're gonna be, he's gonna be qualifying in a minute. We'll show him here and here. So, he'll be qualifying in a minute. See him on the track in a minute. Bye.
Alright, got gloves on today because yesterday I had some blisters.
So we're back with Jackson here. So how'd you feel?
Those laps felt amazing. I was sliding through that corner. I don't know if you could tell, but I definitely felt it out of the corner. I was like this. And out of that corner, I was just, it was crazy. I don't know how to explain it. But yeah, I felt good. It don't really matter about qualifying. It matters about the main event.
Yep. And he is riding a Honda Recon. So,
The 70? And also 150.
So, and also, this is his times right here. Okay, so this is his times, lap 1 and lap 2. His best lap was a 13:46.
Wow.
Mine was a 31 something, or 41. So,
I think it was 50.
me and him are gonna get back to racing here, and we're gonna start at the main event. See y'all later. Okay, we're going 4th gear here. Okay, one more lap to go before we start. Okay, we're getting ready here. Green, 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 green. Sliding there. Trying to get this sliding thing out. I definitely got it through that corner. Definitely sliding a little bit. That was lap 4, coming on lap 5. Lap 6. This is going to be lap 7 here. He's definitely falling back a little bit. A little slick in that corner. Our sister's over there cheering us on. That was lap 9. That's lap 10. This is lap 12. Lap 13.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Lap 14. Lap 15. Lap 16. Lap 17. We lapped it, boys. My tire popped on my pit bike the other day. It was actually yesterday. I was practicing out here. The tire popped. I ran over something. We're gonna order one. It should be here by Monday or Thursday. Monday's tomorrow, so hopefully we'll get it tomorrow. Okay, last lap. Sponsored by Credit One Banks here. Not really, but woo! Got them tires locked up. Yes, sir. We're gonna do a burnout here. Woo! We're gonna do a burnout. bump to finish it off. Okay, we're back here with me and him. So first we're gonna start off with you.
I'm not happy, guys. 2 loses in a row, but honestly, he had the upper advantage. That 4-wheeler is a lot better on the accelerator on that 4-wheeler is a lot better than on mine. But yeah, I'm not happy with 2 loses in a row, but maybe we can make it up.
I lapped you there.
Yeah.
So
honestly, if you didn't lap me, you didn't lap me, if I didn't let you lap me, then I would have gotten destroyed. So
yeah. So next week, we're gonna be riding dirt bikes. He's gonna try to get his running. I'm gonna get the tire, like I said, and we're gonna try to see if it works out. I don't know if it'll work out, but because his might not start up. But I know I'm gonna probably get mine fixed. So if we don't, he'll ride the 4-wheeler again. I might ride my dirt bike. Or we'll just ride 4-wheelers again. So, so he's gonna interview me now.
Well, how was it winning 2 times in a row?
Felt good. I definitely felt better over there than I did in qualifying. In this corner, I started to figure it out. The last couple laps, I figured it out. Catching up to him, I lapped him, and that's all I got for today.
One more question. So when I was riding behind you, every corner we were green. I saw you were only on 3 wheels. How'd that feel?
Oh dang, right here?
Yeah, right there and right there.
Well, not really scary to me because I do it a lot, but when I was doing this burnout over here, I was like on 2 wheels about to flip.
You about T-boned me.
Yeah, right here.
Don't worry about the girls in the background.
Me and him back, so we're gonna see what we can do next week. And I'm fixing to get a new GoPro for Christmas. I'm probably gonna get the GoPro 10, and we'll have better quality videos, and I might get a new laptop. The one that I have right now works great. That's what I've been uploading on. I put it on my phone, edit it. So we'll see y'all later.